What if I told you that the blood flowing through your veins right now is doing far more than just keeping you alive? Your blood type might actually be giving you secret advantages you never knew existed. From disease resistance to dietary benefits, your blood type is like a hidden superpower written into your DNA. Let's start with something incredible. People with type O blood are natural mosquito repellents compared to other blood types. Research shows that mosquitoes are significantly less attracted to type O individuals, landing on them about half as often as they do on type A folks. If you've ever wondered why mosquitoes seem to ignore you at barbecues while your friends get devoured, your blood type might be the answer. But that's just the beginning. Type O blood carriers have another remarkable advantage when it comes to malaria resistance. Studies in malaria-endemic regions have shown that people with type O blood are less likely to develop severe malaria complications. The reason lies in how the malaria parasite interacts with red blood cells. Type O cells are simply less hospitable to these parasites, making it harder for them to establish a foothold and multiply. Now let's talk about type A blood and its surprising benefits. People with type A blood show enhanced memory function and better cognitive performance as they age. Multiple studies have found that type A individuals score higher on memory tests and have lower rates of cognitive decline. Scientists believe this might be related to how type A antigens affect blood flow to the brain and influence neural connectivity. Type A individuals also have an advantage when it comes to stress management at the cellular level. Their bodies produce higher levels of cortisol, which, contrary to popular belief, isn't always bad. This elevated baseline actually helps type A people respond more efficiently to acute stress situations. Their systems are essentially pre-calibrated for quick stress responses. Moving to type B blood, here's where things get really interesting. Type B individuals show remarkable resistance to certain bacterial infections, particularly those affecting the urinary tract and digestive system. The B antigens on their red blood cells act like decoys, preventing harmful bacteria from attaching to tissues where they could cause infections. Type B blood also correlates with enhanced flexibility in the immune system. Research indicates that type B individuals can adapt more quickly to new pathogens and environmental challenges. This might explain why historically, type B blood became more prevalent in populations that migrated extensively and encountered diverse environments and diseases. Now for the rarest and perhaps most intriguing blood type, AB. Only about 3 to 4% of the global population has type AB blood, and these individuals enjoy some unique advantages. Type AB people have the lowest rates of allergies compared to all other blood types. Their immune systems seem to maintain a more balanced response to environmental triggers that would cause allergic reactions in others. Type AB individuals also show enhanced ability to produce antibodies against specific diseases. They essentially get the immune benefits of both type A and type B blood, creating a more versatile defense system. Studies have found that type AB people recover faster from certain viral infections because their bodies can mount multiple types of immune responses simultaneously. Here's something that might surprise you about pregnancy and blood types. Women with type O blood have been found to have higher fertility rates in their 20s and early 30s. However, they also face earlier declines in ovarian reserve compared to other blood types. Meanwhile, women with type A blood tend to maintain fertility longer into their late 30s and early 40s. The Rh factor adds another layer of advantages. People who are Rh negative, regardless of their AB blood type, show increased resistance to certain parasitic infections. The absence of the Rh antigen makes it harder for some parasites to recognize and invade red blood cells. This might explain why Rh negative blood remains relatively common in European populations, despite being a recessive trait. Let's explore cardiovascular advantages. Type O individuals have a significantly lower risk of blood clots and cardiovascular disease. Their blood contains lower levels of von Willebrand factor, a protein that promotes clotting. While this means type O people bleed slightly longer when injured, it also means they're less likely to develop dangerous clots that cause heart attacks and strokes. On the flip side, people with type A, B, and AB blood have higher levels of clotting factors, which means they heal faster from injuries. Their wounds close more quickly, and they lose less blood during surgical procedures. It's a fascinating trade-off that evolution has maintained across populations. Dietary research has revealed that different blood types may process foods differently. Type O individuals tend to metabolize high-protein diets more efficiently, particularly those rich in lean meats. Type A people often show better digestion of plant-based proteins and complex carbohydrates. Type B individuals demonstrate enhanced ability to digest dairy products, while Type AB people seem to handle a diverse, mixed diet most effectively. Here's a fun fact that connects blood types to human migration. Type O is the oldest blood type, dating back to our earliest human ancestors. Type A emerged when humans began farming and eating more grains. Type B developed in the Himalayan highlands among nomadic tribes. Type AB is the youngest, appearing only within the last 1,000 years as populations mixed. Your blood type even influences your gut microbiome. Different blood types support different bacterial populations in the digestive system. Type A individuals tend to have more diverse gut bacteria, which contributes to better immune function. Type O people have bacterial profiles that excel at breaking down proteins and fats. Recent research has uncovered that blood type affects pain tolerance. Type A individuals generally have lower pain thresholds, but better long-term pain management. Type O people show higher immediate pain tolerance, but may experience more chronic pain issues. Type B and AB individuals fall somewhere in between, with more balanced pain responses. Blood type also plays a role in athletic performance. Type O athletes often excel in endurance sports due to their efficient oxygen delivery and lower clotting risk. Type A individuals frequently perform better in precision sports, requiring focus and concentration. Type B athletes show versatility across different sports, while Type AB individuals often have explosive power for short bursts of activity. So what does all this mean for you? Your blood type is far more than just a label for transfusions. It's a window into your evolutionary history, a predictor of certain health advantages, and potentially a guide for optimizing your lifestyle choices. Whether you're type O, A, B, or AB, positive or negative, you're carrying unique advantages coded into every cell of your body. The next time you think about your blood type, remember that you're not just learning a medical fact. You're discovering hidden strengths that have been with you since birth, shaped by thousands of years of human evolution and adaptation. Hit subscribe and start thinking sharper than everyone else.